Just kidding. No, for real. Tell me that these don't look like the Naked Smoothie bottles. Green Machine and Berry Machine and the mango ones. Them things be busting. I wonder if they got the same packager. I don't know. But dude, I'm gonna be reviewing y'all. I'm gonna be reviewing these. And these. Oh, wait. So if you wanna see what I'm about to do, just stay tuned. Girls is popping. You popping? I'm popping. Okay, anyway. Gonna go in with this next. My hair feel good. It was a good lather without feeling stripped. My curls is popping. Popping. Okay. Ooh. This ain't gonna be enough. You know how we do. We don't just use a little bit. We gotta just slather it on. I slathers it on. Ain't nothing wrong with slathering on your conditioner. See, that ain't do nothing. That just did the outside. I know y'all, somebody gonna say something about me not sectioning my hair. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm too lazy to do that right now. Look at my edges, Lord. And then it's going back further. Y'all. And I don't detangle my hair or nothing until I get ready to style my hair, because I have hair that just curls right back up. And now you're probably gonna say,
okay, well, if you section it and then twist it up and keep it like that, then it probably wouldn't tangle up.
That's probably true. Again, I'm too lazy to do that today. Can you see it on my hair? It's like, I feel like I gotta apply more, but I'm not finna apply more because then I didn't use the whole bottle. So I'm gonna take that as it goes. It absorbs into your hair. You know what I'm about to do next, right? Plastic bag, gang. Gang. It's like you don't mind investing in hair products, but you don't want to invest in plastic bag or shower caps, processing caps. You don't want to do that. You know what I'm saying? When you know you got a sink full of plastic bags up on it, it's just easier. This bag can be used for so much more than what the processing caps can be used for. You can use this as a trash bag, as a processing cap. You can use it to hold things like groceries. It's multi-purpose. The processing cap's not multi-purpose. You didn't know that, did you? This says leave it in for 5 minutes. But you know how that go. It's never gonna be 5 minutes. Either way, I'll let y'all know when I come back. It's alright. I don't know. Me and conditioners, I'm kind of picky with conditioners. And I'm starting to lean more towards conditioners that don't have any type of alcohol in like their first 5 ingredients, if at all. During the summer, Christmas time? Black Friday? I can't remember. I think maybe Black Friday. I bought a whole bunch of conditioners that didn't have alcohol in them at all. It feels alright. It feels soft enough. But I can just tell a difference in my hair when I'm using a conditioner without alcohol versus a conditioner with alcohol. So it's like a cleansing conditioner. That's how my hair feels. Like I use the cleansing conditioner as opposed to just a deep conditioner or a moisturizing conditioner, if that makes sense. So it feels fine. It's okay. It's all right. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put this in. We're gonna try it, because like I told y'all, Should I section my hair now? I'm just gonna put it all over. I'm gonna be heavy-handed. It's real smooth and creamy though. I'm just gonna put it all over. I'm gonna treat it like a leave-in. Now, this feels good going on. Bitch, y'all like that girl use a lot of product. Jeez. That detangler feels good. But I'm not gonna detangle here. I'm actually going to put my styler on. Lord, let me look at the directions. Leave it to me to not follow the directions. Okay, it says, apply generously and work through troubled sections with a wide tooth comb. For thick, coarse curls, use a generous amount as a leave-in and completely detangle hair before applying styling products. I just put it all over, and I'm just gonna go in, grab a piece, apply my styler, detangle instead of completely detangling, then going in and I'll be here all day, y'all. I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm just not gonna do it. So I'm gonna go in with this, and I'm gonna do some 3-strand twists. I'm going to go on ahead and start 3-strand twist in my hair, and then when I get to the front, I'm gonna come and show you, because I'm not gonna sit here on camera and let y'all see me twist my whole head. I'm just not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. All right, so I'll be back in a minute. Hold on, y'all. I gotta say this. This is a win. This is a win, because I just turned off the camera, and then I went to go grab a section of hair. This section right here, this is the first piece of hair that I grabbed. It's super soft. I mean, it's small. I don't know why this bottle is smaller than the other products, but this is a win. This is a win. Really ain't nothing I can do with this. This is a 3-strand twist out that I did. I like how it feels. It's thick, it's creamy. It went on well. The hold, I liked the hold that I got initially, you know, once my twists were drying. But now, for whatever reason, these two pieces, these two sections, I don't know if they're a different curl pattern or they just didn't like the product, but there's no definition right here. Like, I have no definition right here. So, I really can't do anything with it. Also, can you see that on my shirt? I don't know. There's little specks of product, like the little granules of product. Definitely. Like, it's, I don't want to say I'm snowing, but I'm borderline I'm almost snowing. I would never wear this. I wouldn't wear this out. Like, no. What is happening right there? What is that? And I even went back at one point and wet it back down again because I noticed that this wasn't drying with the same type of hold that this had back here. Put a little bit more product and retwisted it, and it's still frizzy. Like the front of my head is frizzy. And I can't really push it back because I don't have any edges. The verdict is still out on this. It felt good, and I thought that it was going to look good. I'm not here for this right here. I'm not here for it. Scoop a liberal amount to your hand and smooth down on small sections of damp hair using fingertips. Then twist, shingle coil, or wash and go. What'd I do wrong? No, y'all. It's a dub right now, though. Don't you hate that when you go through a full wash day and you get to the end and the styler is holding you back? It doesn't want you to be great. I gotta find a way to shake this back, because this ain't it. This not it. This not it. Anyway, if you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below. Like, comment, and subscribe if you will, please. No, I'm just playing. No, I'm serious, but I'm just playing. And until next time.